Hey, how's it going, everybody? We're going to rip into a pack of 25-26 Topps Signature Series. 7 cards in this pack to celebrate Game 2 of the NBA Finals. Hope y'all are doing well. Hope you're enjoying the finals so far. And maybe we'll see out of this pack a prediction. Who's going to win this whole thing? Is it going to be the Spurs or the Knicks? Let's check it out. Alfred Simmons, first round, pick 24. Got something fun in the back. Yep, that guy. Hey, Porzingis. He went high in the draft. How about Rudy Gobert? That's a cool card. LeBron, round 1, number 1. Number 1 draft for LeBron. Next we have a Celtics. Oh, Al Horford. And last we have Phoenix Suns rookie. That is cool. That's a cool card. Well, thanks for joining me, everyone. Come back next time and we will rip another one.